Laundromat, laundry service and cafe, Malvern East, Victoria. Effectively 3 businesses in one, this unique opportunity offers endless possibilities in the growing suburb of Malvern East. Operating for 5 years, the washing room incorporates a self-service laundromat, full laundry service and a busy cafe. The business has grown from a complete startup with no customer base to having a wide demographic of loyal customers. Combining 3 key business functions ensures a good income and cash flow, with repeat customers who love the unique concept. The business caters to commercial and domestic clients, including residents, dentists, kindergartens, aged care, therapists, lawyers, and more. The prime location ensures excellent street exposure and easy parking next to a post office and opposite the 7-Eleven. The current owners have tried and tested systems in place, so they don't need to be in the shop at all times. The excellent staff are fully trained and capable of running the daily operations of the business. Malvern East is booming, with several new businesses opening in the area in the last 12 months. There is potential to grow this business by increasing advertising and approaching more local businesses, sports clubs, and community groups.